Section 1.8, example 3 on page 72, we have you can also solve an inequality like -3 is less than or equal to m minus 4 is less than -1 by working all three parts of the inequality at the same time. You work to isolate the variable between the inequality symbols. This method is used in problem 3. That is also the method that we did in the video in problem 2. Example 3 says, to earn a B in your algebra course, you must achieve an unrounded test average between 84 and 86 inclusive. You score 86, 85, and 80 on the first 3 tests of the grading period. What possible scores can you earn on the 4th and final test to earn a B in the course? Now, we haven't talked much about averages. So to find the average of 4 test scores, you add up the 4 test scores. So we had 86 plus 85 plus 80. We don't know the 4th test score yet. And then once you've added all 4 scores, you divide by 4. So to get our test average, we will add those up, divide by 4, which we can't completely do yet until we know what our 4th test score is. We can, however, add up these first 3 so that we get 251 plus x over 4. Now we're going to use the information that we need between an 84 and an 86 inclusive. Inclusive means we're going to use the equal to symbol. So we have less than or equal to on both. So we know we want to be between 84 and 86, but we can also include the numbers 84 and 86. So we're going to try and figure out what value of x do we need to get in order to make this inequality true. Notice that in the middle, we have 251 plus x divided by 4. We're trying to get x by itself. To undo this divide by 4, we're going to multiply everything by 4, which means we're going to multiply every single side by 4. 4 times 84 gives us 336. 251 plus x over 4 times 4, the 4's will become a 1 and we can get rid of them, and we are left with 251 plus x. 86 times 4 gives us 344. Notice we multiplied by a positive 4, so the symbols do not switch. Now we have 251 plus x, and I want to get x by itself, so we can get rid of the 251 by subtracting 251 from all 3 sides. 336 minus 251 gives you 85. 251 minus 251 is a 0 pair, so we bring down our x. 344 minus 251 gives us 93. So this tells us that your score on the 4th test must be between 85 and 93 inclusive. That will get you your B in the course. The next 3 slides have a no-need plan chart, some extra explanation, and all of the work that we just did, if you would like to go look at those on Google Classroom. Then on page 73, we have homework number 6, solve each compound inequality, graph your solutions. So we have -3 is less than or equal to 6 minus q over 9, which is less than or equal to 3. You're trying to get the q all by itself.